I mean, that's fine. So now we're gonna go to the other side because the other side has amber lighting while this side has daylight lighting, you know what I'm saying? So, bye. Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday. I'm starting off another week vlog. Ooh, I'm about to drop this thing. I just got out of the shower, put some moisturizer on. As you can see, I took my braids out, so I just have my hair braided under here just because I don't like to sleep with it loose. So I'm gonna do my hair, and then we're going to the grocery store. Last time I said I would vlog in a grocery store, it's kind of a fail, so we'll see how this one goes. But I'm just picking up stuff for dinner tonight, and then I believe I'm going again to a different grocery store with my mans later today when he gets off work. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna try and film like what I eat in a day, but it's already almost 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. So I'm gonna try and film like me making some kind of brunch, and then what I'm making for dinner tonight, and hopefully that comes together because I do want to incorporate more food things into my channel, especially with me being gluten, like having an intolerance to gluten. I do want to like have more like gluten-free dishes that you can make. I'm also lactose intolerant, but we're not gonna do that. We just gonna suffer because I'm not giving up the cheese. So yeah, we're doing that today. I need to go ahead and do my hair, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just puffed out my hair. Let's hope it's not raining, because if it is, I'm in trouble. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing t-shirt, sweatpants, and then I'm gonna put on my brown jacket, like oversized. Let me just go grab it. Alright, so this is my oversized jacket from Pop Flex. It's like an oversized cropped type of thing. So this is what I'm going with. Good enough. Just going to the grocery store. And yeah. So this side of my hair is like the more healthy side. And this side is the like healing side that I had to cut more off of, but yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Let's hope it's not raining, because if it is, Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but that trip was a bust. They wanted $6 for broccoli, so I said, you crazy? You so crazy, girl. So I'm just gonna get it at the other grocery store. I did get some chicken thighs, but that's just generally to have. And then I got like a gravy mix, because I think we're gonna try and make like those KFC like chicken, corn, mashed potato bowls. Well, at least that's what's in my head. And then add broccoli to it. Alright guys, I have arrived back. The trip was a bust. Let me bring you in here and show you what I got, but I can put you guys right here. So the trip was a bust. Some of their stuff was just way too expensive. I'm going to a different grocery store anyway, so I'm gonna get it there. But this is what I got. I never tried these, but they caught my interest. These because my mans and I was just talking about red vines yesterday, so I thought it was a sign. These because I like pretzels and they're gluten-free, so we're gonna try these, and my battery's dying. These protein bar, gravy mix, and cashew Ritter Sport. And then some chicken thighs, but my battery's saying so. Alright guys, so a quick grocery store haul. Got toothbrush, contact stuff. Now let's walk this way.
It's not awful.
It's hot.
I wouldn't get it.
No. We got these for wraps. These for lasagna. Also, we already have this. I got this at the earlier trip. We got broccoli. Whatever this is. A monster. What? Peachy Keen. I got this one. This for lasagna. Got Mentos. Some chili things. These are also for lasagna, and then we'll have extra, so just whatever you want to use it for. Got some grapes. Move out the way. We have, these are habaneros. We have more chicken. Got like this kind of chicken. This chicken, because they sell it at Costco and it's really good. Just don't use the sauce. Just eat the wings how they come. What does that say? Oh, that's my name. Pizza. What else did we get? Oh, these. And is that it? That might be it. Did we get anything in the refrigerator? Oh, we got like a bunch of cheeses and stuff to go in the. Let me see out. Yeah, we got like a bunch of like these cheeses, like cheese sticks, and then shredded. This is also for lasagna. How come you didn't put this in the drawer?
Because it's not a resealable bag, everything will spill out.
Okay. And Italian sausage, also for lasagna. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and then a box of beer too, which I don't know where that is. In the freezer?
On the freezer.
Oh. So yeah, that's what we got at the grocery store. Put your thumb like this. Nice. We made KFC style bowls with mashed potatoes, corn, gravy, cheese, and then we air fried some chicken, and it looks delicious. I won't focus on it, but yeah. Hey guys, so it's a new day. I ended up not feeling well again last night, but anyways, I decided to go ahead and vlog for right now. I do have to go do something soon, but I am doing TikToks right now. And then I have to edit a video later, but I need to start cooking, and I also need to take the garbage and stuff all the way to the garbage place. Loud. So I figured I'd let you guys watch me do TikToks, even though it's not good. It's not good, okay? So how am I gonna put y'all here? Like this, maybe? And I keep retaking, like, this is not a good angle, but I keep retaking TikToks. So alright, let's see how that is. That was better, but I need to angle it up, because when I angle it like this, it's like you can see how clean my nostrils are, and we're not trying to do that right now. So let's try this. Let's see, like a little bit angled up. Okay, let's see how that is. I mean, that's fine. So now we're gonna go to the other side, because the other side has amber lighting while this side has daylight lighting, you know what I'm saying? So, bye. This is gonna take a while. Okay, that's gonna be fine, because it's gonna be a jokey joke. So now I have to record the last part, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do for the last part, so wait and see. But I'll be back when I'm either cooking dinner or I am editing the video. And I can't really show you guys these. I can't really show you guys my TikToks on here because the sound, so maybe I can like play them for you, but I have to take out the sound, so it'd be kind of stupid. So just check out the TikTok, please. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so my energy has plummeted again. I'm about to go and start making dinner. I'm making lasagna. So I think I said I'll take you guys with me for that. I'll do that. Actually no, I'm gonna eat because I have not eaten yet. And if it's not 4, it's about to be 4. Yes, it's about to be 4 o'clock. I have not eaten, so I'm just gonna have like a snack, probably some grapes and stuff, and probably around the time he gets home I'll start cooking dinner, because it's not like he needs dinner right away. Like he'll probably get home around like 4:20. Ain't nobody eating dinner at 4:20 unless you're 85 years old. But yeah, so I'll probably do that around the time he gets home, so I'll have you guys with that. For me, I think I'm just gonna put this as a vlog, like a day vlog, a day in my life vlog, or 2 days. I want to say a day in my life because I don't think I vlogged that much yesterday. So I think I'm gonna put it as a day in my life vlog. Yeah, I'm not gonna push myself when I don't really have it in me to be vlogging. And it's kind of weird because I'm pretty sure the clip before this I was like hyper, but yeah, that went goodbye, and it's probably because I haven't eaten. But so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I'm gonna have a little snack, sit down, probably watch an episode of 2 of Dr. Stone. He'll be home by the time the second one is over, so yeah, and then I can go like talk to him about how his day was, and then when I start dinner I will bring you guys into the action. And yeah, it's gonna be really quick though, because all I have to do is cook the meat and then assemble the, I say assemble, I mix the ricotta cheese with like some seasonings and some more Parmesan cheese, and then, you know, compile the lasagna. And I also have other cheese, and then, you know, put it in the oven. It's gonna be really quick, and then I'll show you guys the end of it as well, like the end thing of it as well. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do, and then probably around the time that that's done, I'm going to just edit this and upload it for either today, or I might not upload today and I'll upload it tomorrow instead. Even though I don't really do Fridays, I might just upload it on Friday because I'm not so yeah, that's the plan. Okay, I said I'd check in when we are making dinner. Got my lasagna noodles, cooking the meat. For some reason it's making way more juice than usual, but that's fine. And then I have my pan here. This is the Martha Stewart cast iron pan, I think. Classico ricotta. I'm about to make this, not make it, but mix it up so it's not bland as fuck. And then yeah, and then I'll show you guys when we are finished. Alright guys, I have finished my masterpiece. He's in the bedroom. He doesn't know about this freaking masterpiece, but look at this freaking masterpiece right now. I didn't use 3 cans. That one was less than half, so I used the rest of that, used that one, and then used just that little bit of that one. But look at this masterpiece, okay? It's a freaking heart. Hello? Actually, that looks a little better. Look at that. freaking beautiful. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'll show you guys when it is ready. So this is what it ended up turning out looking like. It's ghetto because it could have stayed how cute I had it, but it still looks good. So we're gonna eat this, and that's probably the end of the video. A little bonus before I edit this video today. Hello. I also making baked beans this morning. Well, it's like 11 o'clock. Angus hot dogs. And then the only baked beans you need to be using for Beanie Weenies. Bush's Vegetarian baked bean. Can you stop being blurry? Or that's my eyes. No, it's this. Vegetarian baked bean by Bush's. I don't want any other baked beans. Just the vegetarian ones. Has to be the vegetarian ones. Everything else tastes different. And then Angus hot dogs by, I think it's Ballpark. Let me see. Dun, dun, dun. Girl. Yes, Ballpark Angus. Then I'm going to put a little bit of lemon pepper, and that's really all you need. I'm going to mix this better than that. Put some lemon pepper, and then once it's all warm, it'll be done. I've also once put bitchin sauce in here, the cilantro one. Not while it's cooking, but like when it's done in my bowl, I'll put a little bit of bitchin sauce on the top. How do you do this? There we go. Yes.